All right, here we go. Let's jump right into this thing. We are working on our final Unit 3 summative before we jump into Unit 4 beginning next week. And so from today all until when this is due, which is Friday, you'll be working on a summative. That's going to be very similar to what we practiced last week, but obviously a different topic with a little bit different expectations. And so I'm going to do my best to explain how this is supposed to work, how this is supposed to go for today. All right, so if we jump into our checklist for today, obviously we'll start with our warm-up to begin. Try to make it a little bit more fun today, just really focusing on would you rather questions, because I always feel like these are kind of interesting and fun to answer. So, go through and give you a reasoning about why you would choose whatever it is that you decide for each one of these scenarios, and your warm-up is going to be done. If we go back to our checklist here, let's open up this Unit 3 summative. It is a Google Doc. So we are not going to be making you do this within Kami simply because we felt that the tools within Kami just wouldn't be necessary for this particular assignment. And so when you open it up in Google Docs, it should look something like this. And the background information here is really about the Dakota people last month, basically literally a month ago to the day, were given about 114 acres of land back near where their Lower Sioux reservation was, and where the Lower Sioux Indian community is now. And so the land has been celebrated as a beginning of acknowledgement of what happened to the Dakota people here in our state. And the question we really want to think about here is that enough land? And do the Dakota people deserve more? These types of things. And so really the objective with this is, using what we've learned in Unit 3, we really want you to familiarize yourself with this event and offer a perspective about what you think about it and what you believe should happen moving forward. Okay, remember, a big part of this is really showing that you've done the work, really that you've kind of made sure that you've at least attempted the things we've done this trimester, this unit, okay? And you can have a conversation about it with your classmates. Unlike our practice, this is not about yes or no, though, okay? So this is not debating whether or not they should get land back necessarily. It's really just trying to be informed about the topic and having a conversation. And so that's really what this is, learning how to research and learn more about a topic that you might not know more about. How you're going to be graded on this, okay? This is really all about the steps that I'll show you in a second, okay? As we've always kind of focused on with a 1, it's you did some of it, but not all of it. It's as simple as that. This is just not done, okay? A 2 would be all steps are complete, but the discussion post that you offer shows only some knowledge of the event, meaning it's clear that when you do your discussion, you didn't do enough research or it was well thought out, and you're not replying to more than 2 classmates. And so you're not adding anything to the discussion. You're not going to help us go deeper with it when we're making our Flipgrid videos. 3, again, is all steps are complete. But when you make your discussion post, it shows knowledge of the event. It's clear that you researched it. It's clear that you spent time going through this. And you reply to, 2 to 3. 3 would be kind of the key that I think we would get to with this, is that you're replying to at least 3 of your classmates, listening to what they have to say and what they've offered to the discussion as well. And a 4, again, all steps are complete, but your discussion post is bomb. It's amazing, right? When we watch your discussion post, it's going to be this person really went through and made sure that they understood the content. They took time understanding the issue, and they really added something to the discussion that people could learn something from. And you reply to 3 to 4 of your classmates. So you're really kind of branching out above and beyond and going a little bit deeper with this discussion. Okay, always look at the rubric when you're thinking about how you're going to be graded. Okay, now there are several steps to this lesson. What I want you to focus on today, and just today only, is step 1. Okay, you can technically work ahead on this and kind of go at your own pace, but I really want you to focus on your research today. So really looking at watching the videos, picking a reading, mild meaning a little bit lower text, mediums, right about 6th grade reading level, and spicy is it's right from the source that I got it from, okay? So pick one of those readings and go with it, and then also listen to this radio segment as well as the map. This is going to help us get set up for tomorrow.